Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2014 Ford Explorer in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, providing you with excellent power for getting around with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. And recently detailed, so it's nice and clean, but let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you. Looking into the back, where you have your third row seats, which can be folded completely flat to provide you with plenty of cargo room, and also have their own cup holders and cubbies there, as you can see. And even with them folded up, you still have plenty of room there. And then a 12-volt power outlet there, and hatch closes again with another simple press of button. And now looking at the back seat, where you have seating for 3, so you do have seating for 7 in total in this vehicle, so you can bring along your friends and family or whoever else you want. Do have rear climate controls, so that's always nice. 12-volt power outlet and some cup holders like so. Fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. And now looking at the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 120,244 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. You also have the controls for your right info screen here for your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your left screen here, where you can cycle through information such as your RPMs and oil temperature, other display modes such as your four-wheel drive status, distance empty. You can also go into your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, driver assist settings, and settings for some other features around your vehicle and your screen setup in general. But then moving to the left, where you have your tow haul mode and your hatch release, or remote hatch release. Moving on to your center, your infotainment center, which is radio, Sirius, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD, and I believe also auxiliary, so you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. But then in the bottom right, you have your digital climate controls with dual front climate and heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. And in the top right, you have your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. And in the top left, you have your Bluetooth phone controls. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with a dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a small trailer or something of the sort. Moving down from your screen, you have your physical media and climate controls here, once again with dual front climate, but also, do also have your hazards right there, just so you know. And then you have a compartment down here, which can be opened to reveal 2 USBs, 12-volt power outlet, auxiliary, and SD card slots, so you can plug something into power or charge, or just hook up your audio that way. And then you still have plenty of room in there for whatever else you want to put in there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, 2 cup holders, and your drive mode selector. So you have mud rut mode, sand mode, and snow, gravel, grass mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there, and do also have hill descent assist in the middle of that. Then you have your center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious and does also have another 12-volt power outlet inside. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.